Hi guys, I'm Dani and my channel is called Dani Homemaker if you haven't noticed already. I am a homemaker. So this is my first video on Dani Homemaker, and I have another channel. My husband and I have a channel called Cam and Dani. We're vloggers and we love it. We've been vlogging for like years now. We have like hundreds of vlogs on our channel. You guys should go check out Cam and Dani if you haven't already. We would love for you to join us over there. But I just have so many different ideas. I have beauty ideas, I have DIYs, crafts. You know, like when you have that annoying itch on your nose. I'm also all over the place, so that's partially what you're gonna get from me, is me just kind of being a weirdo. I love to bake, I love to cook. I have a daughter, her name is Cadence. She's 5 years old and she's the coolest little girl I've ever known, and she's so much fun, and she's in our vlogs, so go check out the vlogs. You will not be disappointed. She is like, she steals the show. So I have all of these different ideas, and I love I just love everything. I just like to create and DIY all kinds of things. That's kind of a part of me. And so I've been wanting to make a YouTube channel for a long time about just my DIYs. So everyone's welcome. This doesn't have to just be a homemaking, you know, you have to be a homemaker to be here. I just wanted to share some of myself with you guys, and I have been wanting to do this for forever. So here I am. And I also thought it'd be really fun to start celebrating some national days. You guys know, like National Donut Day, National Hot Dog Day. I was looking at them recently and I saw that today is National Wine Day, and I was like, I have to make a video. I love wine. I'm not a huge drinker. Drink responsibly, don't drink and drive. But I do occasionally like a glass of wine. And if you're underage, then get a virgin something. Get a apple juice or a, you know, some soda, and cheers with me. Cheers. You could probably do a ton with wine, but like, I don't know of a ton of wine that you can, I don't know what you can do with a ton of wine. I don't know what you can do with wine other than drink it. So I looked it up, I researched, and I was like, what else could you do with wine other than drink it? There were a couple of things, and one of them was a wine sugar lip scrub. And I was like, oh my gosh, that's so perfect. How fun. I love making homemade scrubs, and how fun to incorporate wine into that. It would probably make a really pretty color, maybe not, I'm assuming so. The first recipe that I found was from a website called remainingmeg.com. She probably has no idea that I'm even alive. I found it on Pinterest, and I love her pictures and all of that. So I am going to leave a link for her for this scrub recipe down below. And yeah, shout out to remainingmeg.com. I'm gonna try out this lip scrub, and I am really excited to get started. The ingredients are 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of sweet wine, 4 to 6 drops of honey, which makes about 1/4 teaspoon. The food coloring is an optional thing. It probably isn't enough to tint your lips, but like, I just don't need that in mine, but it's optional. If you want to, you don't need a ton. And then I also got myself a bowl and a couple different spoons, mixing spoons, to mix it all up together. We're gonna get started, and I'm kind of excited. First things first, 1/2 cup of sugar. With coconut oil, it tends to solidify if it's cooler, if it's a cooler temperature inside your house. So if it is solidified, you'll want to make sure that you melt it down. That way it's a liquid, but you also want to make sure not to add it in when it's hot, because that will dissolve the sugar. You don't want that, because you want the sugar part to be the scrub, the exfoliant. Give it some time to cool and then add it into the mixture. And then it calls for one teaspoon of wine. Now you can pour it and you can like try and do that, but I'm not gonna do that. I've already poured it into my cup right here, so I am just going to dip it and measure it out that way. Why not, right? Ooh, that's exciting. Now we need about 1/4 teaspoon of honey. Whoa, that is a lot. That came out a bit faster than I was expecting it to. That's it, now I'm going to mix. The honey seems to be hardening a bit. Just try and break it up as best you can. That is really pretty. Look at that color. Gosh, that's beautiful. Stir it up nicely. That is a beautiful color, you guys. I am like freaking out at this color. I also apologize for the lighting in here. It's a bit more yellow than I was hoping for it to be. And the more that I do these videos, the better lighting I will get. Okay, so I'm just going to lean forward a little bit. So we're gonna get a little bit more comfortable with each other, if you know what I mean. No. Stop that, Danielle. Stop that now. It's just supposed to be a gentle exfoliant. Just rub it on your lips, and it tells you to like go in circular motions. And I'm just gonna be looking, because I have my mirror right here. So I'm just gonna be looking there, but like, I won't forget about you guys. I promise. It's really crumbly. Methy, guys, it's really methy. Gosh, that feels good. It smells good too. It's like really subtle. The smell is super subtle. And if it gets in your mouth, you can just eat it. Oh man. I can just really taste the sugar. I can't really taste the wine. I'm kind of going a bit more detailed than you probably need to. I'm here, right? So why not? I'm going to let it sit for a minute. We are going to look up wine and skin benefits. For aging skin, yes, red wine helps us age better. It is really good for skin and in fact prevents aging of skin. Red wine is packed with antioxidants like flavonoid, resveratrol. You guys, I am in unknown territory. Do not make fun of me. And tannin, which help fight aging by restoring collagen and elastic fibers. I'll leave the link down below. It's good for acne. It's anti-inflammatory and has antiseptic properties. That's amazing. Applying red wine topically on the face clears the pores, fights acne, and prevents future breakouts. That is so cool for naturally beautiful skin. Red wine contains polyphenols that help transform a dull complexion and give you the glow you've always wanted. Spray red wine on your face. Spray red wine on your face. That's kind of cool. And massage gently for 10 minutes. Leave it on for another 10 minutes and then wash off. You can also mix red wine with 2 teaspoons of oatmeal and massage your skin in order to remove dead skin cells. You guys, oatmeal is like my all-time favorite thing to put on my face and on my skin. I just started licking it off. All of a sudden it was like, nah, I'm done. It didn't hurt though. And the nice part is you can just lick it off. And if you're not eating sugar, you can wipe it off. That was really nice. My lips feel so soft. They tell you to use some sort of lip balm, some sort of chapstick, something to put over your lips after you've done this lip scrub, just to like help lock in moisture and not dry your lips out. I'm in love with essential oils. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of it or not, but Young Living is amazing. I get my lip balm through Young Living and it's all I use. I'm a lip gloss person and I'm a chapstick person. I'm not a lipstick person. I love it on other people and then I put it on myself and I feel like I look like a clown. So there's a part of me that wants to venture into lipsticks and color, but I'm not quite there yet. That's it, guys. This was a lot of fun. Thanks for hanging out with me. Let me know if you guys do this sugar scrub and tell me what you think about it, or give me any more tips and tricks with wine that you guys do. Do you guys do anything creative with it? Guys, again, please drink responsibly. It's National Wine Day. Let's stay safe, and I'm so thankful that you guys hung out with me. Please come back for more, subscribe, and let me know that you're here. Tell me who you are. I want to get to know you. Check out the links below. I'm going to probably try and do 1 video a week, and we'll go from there. But this has been so much fun. So thanks for hanging out. Happy National Wine Day, and I will see you guys next time. Cheers.